Good morning, traders. This is Dale Stargard, Trader Boys. Quick morning update here. We've got the markets all down slightly this morning. The Russell 2000 is leading the charge, followed by the S&P with the next greatest weakness. Oil's continuing to drop here, and we've got gold slightly reversing after a couple days down. Let's get into the charts here, guys. Some exciting stuff. So S&P 500, we're still inside our daily zone that we pointed out from last week. Climb right up near the top. Our 60-minute level, these two lines here, right here, that's our 60-minute level here from yesterday, got absolutely annihilated yesterday. So that one was completely wrong. It held the market at bay for just a little bit, and then we got a high base breakout from there. So there's a high base breakout opportunity on that for the day trade. This morning's kind of exciting though. Here's what we're looking at. In this morning, this is on the 1 hour time frame. Here's what we're currently seeing. We can see we definitely had the uptrend. Okay, right here we make a lower pivot high. Right now in here is where your previous buyers were. Right, so previous buyers here, and on that lower pivot high, we break right below that low. Right, so this is an indication where these sellers are starting to take control in the shorter term basis. Right, we come back up, sideways, boom, break. Right, and we break right down to the lows, come back into this area and break the lows again. Right, so what we now have is we've got the formation where we're starting to see sellers in control of the market, and we have a supply level in here. Market has come right up in here, and we're starting right now just to get the reversal off that. Okay, so there is this little area here from yesterday morning of demand. Right, there's another little area down in here, but this is coming back in on the 15-minute time frame. Right, and there's definitely this one here that's being tested and proven as well. Right, so there's absolutely buy orders here. Okay, that's the S&P. We'll jump over to the Russell 2000. Russell 2000, big strong up move from yesterday. Right, up into the daily demand supply level that we looked at yesterday. Pivot low, lower pivot high, breaking to a new low. Right, lower pivot high, breaking to a new low. Came down into that area of strength there yesterday morning. Okay, boom, right up into our little supply level here, and we're starting to see the reversal. Okay, the Nasdaq, we're seeing similar things. So let me bring it down to the 15-minute time frame real quick, just so you can see what we're looking for. And we're looking for reversals. Okay, pivot high, pivot low, higher high, sideways, higher high. Break through the demand area, come back up, lower pivot high, break down. So now we have a lower low, and we have lower highs. Right, into the demand area, nice retracement back up. Okay, sideways, boom, strong move. So now what we have is we've got our demand area here, right, we've got our supply area here, coming back to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, 1 hour time frame, boom, up into supply. We've had the action. Right now we'll come right back here, so we come back for a second test. So this is now giving us the opportunity right now to get short this market. And the beautiful thing is we've got the S&P, we've got the Russell, and we got the Nasdaq aligned. Right, let's just jump over and let's go take a look at couple little charts we can look at here. So on the Nasdaq, I was taking a look at this last night. So we just look at the chart of the Nasdaq, right? Here's Apple. Now, on Apple, we're on the 1 hour time frame here, the 60-minute chart. We can see higher high. Right? Apple did break through my daily supply level here. Right? Now you can start to see we're starting to see some reversal, and momentum is agreeing with the trend on Apple. Right? So Apple is showing strength and showing that the market can continue up. Okay. Let's take a look here at Amazon. Same study. Okay, higher high. You can clearly see the momentum is clearly not agreeing with this. Right now on Amazon here, right, same principle. We got a 15-minute level right here. Amazon's just come in and tagged that. Let me just come down to the 15-minute chart for you. Amazon's just tagged that, and we can see on this. Let me get a little bit more time. Right in here, we've got the drop, sideways, drop. Right, nice strong drop away. Okay, we've just broken above the highs here, up into that supply level, and this is where we're going to be looking for to take the drop on Amazon. Okay, now there's a little demand level here, but you can see there's a lot more demand here. It's spent a lot of time here, but a big move to the upside. So what we should see for the next couple of days is we should see a decline in the market for the next couple of days, and we're starting to see the weakness come in. Okay, even here on the smaller time frames, we can see the momentum is decreasing. Right, so we've got what we call a momentum divergence here. Okay, if we look at this is Netflix. Netflix is another clear one. Higher high, much lower high. Okay, so we can see we've got a divergence here. Upward move in price, downward move in strength and momentum on the upside. So this is indicating that there's weakness in this market to get at least a couple of days of a decline. Right, we've got Facebook here. If we did the same sort of study on Facebook, higher high. Right, Facebook is showing convergence. It's moving with the market. It does have the strength. Okay, now when we look at this, Facebook has come down. It hasn't had the strength to move up. Base. Okay, we break this low here. You've got an opportunity to go short and trade Facebook on the downward direction here. Okay, so that's on the daily time frame. Right, over here we've got Microsoft. Microsoft is in its daily supply level. And you can see higher high, lower highs. The momentum and strength is not in this move on the upside of Microsoft. So Microsoft, we're looking for a multi-day move to the downside. We have this beautiful little triangle formation in here. Okay, this is developing. We break that lower trend line on this sucker. That is going to be a beautiful little trade there. So let's just get that trend line in there for you. And what we're going to be looking at is coming right in through here. Okay, we break that trend line. Boom. Okay, you're going to have a great little trade right there. Okay, so break the trend line, down we go. Okay, you get demand down in this area here at 166. So lots of room there for Microsoft to drop. Okay, thanks for joining Dale Sargon on the morning update. We're here with the Trader Boys. Keep your stops in, manage your risk, and stack those odds and probabilities. Have a great trading day.